What's up, guys? Will H back with another video. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. So I'm pretty excited about this video. This is my first flip phone. I've always bought the folds, so this is my first flip. And I picked this up in the graphite color. I went through the pre-order that Samsung had, and I was able to also receive this case as well, which is the silicone cover with strap as well. And also I do have my Galaxy Watch Pro Galaxy Watch 5 Pro as well, and it came with a free charger as well. So pretty excited about this. But this video, I'm just going to go ahead and unbox the flip, since this is the device that I'm more excited about. Now, I do have my Galaxy Z Fold coming in tomorrow, and I'll be glad to get that as well. So let me go over a few of the features and details. So this is going to be running Android 12 out the box with One UI 4.1. This has a 6.7-inch FHD AMOLED display, 2440 by 1080 on the resolution. The outer display is going to be a 1.9-inch AMOLED display, and the resolution on it is 260 by 512. The inner display has a 120 Hz refresh rate. The CPU on this is a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. This is going to have 8 gigabytes of RAM. You can pick this up in 128 gigabytes of storage, 256 or 512. Now, the outer cameras on here, you're going to have two of them, two 12 megapixel cameras. One of them is going to be a ultra wide camera. The inner camera on here is going to be 10 megapixel selfie. Now, the rear cameras can shoot up to 4K. I'm not sure what the inner camera can shoot up to. I'll put that on the display. The battery on this is going to be 3700 milliamp hour battery. This features 25 watt charging. The weight on this is going to be 6.5 ounces. And this is going to come in 4 colors: the Bora Purple, Graphite, Pink Gold, and Blue. I have the Graphite. Do have another surprise though. I did pick up the blue one as well, so that will be here tomorrow as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging. I'm going to do the case a little bit later as well. This is mainly to just concentrate on the flip. So here it is. The box doesn't indicate, well, I guess it does indicate the color right here. On this side, you got Galaxy Flip 4, Samsung on this side, and then some very small writing on the back. So let's go ahead and get this open. Like I said, this is my first flip. I've never had any of the other ones, and this I am very excited about. So let's go ahead and get this open. And there it is. Man, this is the graphite color. First initial impressions, a little smaller than that one, what I thought it would be, and nothing in there. And we know these days it doesn't come with much, but I like to open the box up and see. Maybe they slipped up and put something different in mine, but doesn't look like it. So you get your SIM ejection tool here, and I dropped the rest of it on the floor. That's excitement, guys. So also you get your quick start guide. I'm gonna let you know everything about the device here. And you get your Type-C to Type-C charging cable. And that is it. That's all you get in the box. Let's put this off over to the side over here. And let's take a look at the device. So very thin. Let's go ahead and get this paper off of here. We're going to grab it right here and start taking it off. And like I said, man, I'm super excited about getting the flip. I'm going to have to stop calling it the folds because I'm so used to having the fold. So here it is. You guys see, this is the cleanest it's going to be its whole life. So you got this glossy sides going around here. You got your speaker, your microphone, and your charging port. Very nice looking, man. Feels very, very premium in the hand. You got your fingerprint sensor / power button, volume up and down. got a mic at the top, and this thing is really, really nice looking. You got your two 12 megapixel cameras there. You got a flash, and then this graphite or black color. I think it's gonna pick up a few fingerprints, maybe not, but oh, this thing just feels so premium, man. Here it is. Let's go ahead and fold it up. So here it is, folded. So here's the hinge as well. You guys see, it has that Samsung branding on there, very nice. Like I said, all of this is glossy looking and very nice, man. Small, compact. Didn't realize I would like this form factor so much. So let's go ahead and power this on. See if it has any power. There it is. There's the Samsung logo. You guys see that powering up right there. And I'm going to go ahead and put my information in, then we'll come back and take a look at it a little bit more, guys. All right, guys, so we're back in. I got to this screen here. I didn't really put my information in, but this is what it looks like out of the box. Display looks very nice, man. Very dark blacks on here. Very nice. Feels good in the hand, too. I folded a few times and really like this form factor as well. So out of the box, you're going to get stuff like your Google suite of apps here. You guys see all of your Google stuff there, photos and Gmail and things of that nature. You're also going to have your Microsoft stuff here. I'm going to change this to gestures in a little while. So you got your Samsung stuff here as well. Calculator, calendar, things like that, game lunch. You guys see what's there. Not a whole lot of bloatware there. And then I haven't set up anything else, so this is how it's set up. Just one page so far. If you drop down menu, this is where it's going to look. Now I did put this in dark mode. I did not want it in the light mode. So here are your quick toggles. You got power sharing, link to Windows, stream recorder, things like that, smart view. There's no DeX. So I don't know how I feel about that. No DeX. I was hoping it would have DeX, but no go. So here's the settings menu. So we can go in and look at, this is all where you can get your wallpapers and stuff. I wanted to see what wallpapers are on here. So wallpapers, my wallpapers. So this type of wallpapers you're gonna get out of the box right here. Hopefully you guys can see that. So those are the wallpapers. Of course, this is where you can select your color palette as well. So let's look at the cover screen settings here. So on the cover screen, you guys see you can pick out your different clocks that you want, basic, or they have some very nice ones there as well, as you guys can see. So I chose that one there. And then you got your widgets as well. What all widgets you want to have on the front here. Music, weather, today's schedule, next, alarm, timer, things of that nature as well. So that is some of the cover screen settings. Just going through this, it's like an unboxing. I'm not really going to get too far into this. Let's go ahead and see if it has an update out of the box. Says your software is up to date. It's on the July 1st security patch. So let's go back and let's go to About Phone. And so this is running 4.1.1 on the UI, Android 12. And let's go back and see how much storage is being used out of the box. Because I haven't put anything on here at all. So out of the box, you guys see 14% is being used, 38% out of the 250 gigabytes. So yeah, man. So here's the outer display, and I have to get familiar with this out of the box. It shows music It has your alarms. Get that to focus. You got a stopwatch and a calendar. And then you can add other widgets as well. So when we get on the inside here, let's take a look. I want to look at the crease on this device. And here's the crease. So there's a small crease there. It's not very big, guys, at all. So I'm going to come back and do a full review on this or follow-up. And I did put my fingerprint in there, as you guys see, thumbprint in there, and it works great. Let's go ahead and try that again. And I have to get used to this phone to find out where it is. So there it is. So let's do a little size comparison next. So here it is up against the Google Pixel 6a, 6 Pro. Guys, see, it's pretty much the same height, the length. The 6 Pro is a little bit wider, quite a bit wider, as you guys see, about the same thickness. And here they are. I got a scan on the back of this 6 Pro. So that's the 6 Pro. Here it is against the 6a. Right there. It's quite a bit bigger than the 6a. Now they're about the same width, as you guys see. And there it is. So I'm gonna put this side by side with the blue one when it comes in as well. I saw the blue one in Best Buy. Didn't know if I liked that color too much. And here is the Z Fold 3. And this will be going back. Yeah, this will be going traded in here. I did get another Z Flip 3 to trade in for this one. I'm not sure which color I'm going to keep, either the graphite or the blue one, but I won't keep both of them. There's a thickness. Of course, the Fold is going to be thicker. I do love this color on the Fold, but I won't reveal what color I got for my next Fold. So here it is. So yeah, man, I'm pretty excited about using the Flip 4. I really like the way this feels in the hand. I'm going to set it up completely, and then I'll come back maybe 24 hours. I'm going to do a 48-hour follow-up on it. But unboxing and first impressions, I really like it. And handling it so far, I don't see very many fingerprints. So the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 is in the house. I'm Will H. This is Will H. Gadgets and More. I'm out.